Today's topic is how to build wealth for beginners. Imagine this. You're sitting in a room with three people, a poor person, a middle-class individual, and a wealthy person. Each has the same goal, to create a better life for themselves and their families. But the way they approach money is completely different. And that's where the secret to building wealth lies. The poor focus on survival. Their income is spent almost entirely on bills, rent, and necessities. Savings? That feels like a luxury they can't afford. The middle class, on the other hand, believes in security. They save what they can, invest in a home, and maybe even contribute to a retirement fund. But often, they're stuck in a cycle of working to pay off debts and maintain a lifestyle. And then there's the wealthy. Their approach is different. They see money as a tool, not to spend, but to grow. They invest in income-producing assets that continue to generate wealth over time. The key to building wealth isn't just working hard, it's shifting your focus. Instead of spending your income on liabilities or simply saving for emergencies, start thinking about how to use that money to buy assets, things that make more money for you. For example, a book you write, a small business you start, or an investment property can generate passive income. Unlike cash, these assets work for you, even when you're not actively working. Wealth isn't just about how much money you have in the bank. It's about cash flow, the ability to have money coming in consistently, month after month, year after year. When you invest in assets that generate passive income, you're creating a system that continues to pay you, even after you stop working. And here's the best part. This cash flow can continue even after you're gone, providing for your family and leaving a lasting legacy. A person choosing a small treat now versus saving for a bigger reward later. Building wealth takes time and discipline. Delayed gratification is your superpower. Instead of spending on short-term pleasures, invest in your future. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy life. It means prioritizing long-term value over instant rewards. Another critical piece of the puzzle is life insurance. While assets generate cash flow, life insurance ensures that your loved ones are cared for if something happens to you. It's about creating security and ensuring your legacy continues. At its core, wealth isn't about money. It's about value. It's about creating something meaningful that benefits others, whether it's a product, service, or idea. The more value you create, the more wealth you'll attract. So start small. Build one asset at a time. Stay disciplined. And remember, true wealth is the ability to create lasting value for yourself, your loved ones, and the world. Your journey to wealth starts today. Begin with what you have, stay focused on building income-producing assets, and watch your wealth grow. Not just for you, but for generations to come. And that's how you can start building lasting wealth, one step at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on growing your financial future. Let's build wealth together. See you in the next video.